From the noisiest neighborhood in the known universe, welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0, YouTube's forgotten barbecue and grilling channel. Today, we're going to be doing some Mongolian beef. Traditionally, Mongolian beef is made with flank steak. Today, we're going to kick it up one notch, and we're going to use some sirloin. Got some sirloin here. We're cutting it up into bite-sized chunks. It's going to be real good. Douse some Sang stir-fry oil all over this sirloin. It's gonna be good. Give it a good mix. Later, we will be using some cornstarch. You know the drill with this. The cornstarch and the beef go together in a pretty large, giant Ziploc bag. Teaspoons of minced ginger. Got ginger. We have a bit of an onion. This is Chop Wizard's inaugural chop. If I can keep everything inside. Ready? Inaugural chop. Nice! All right, let's get the ginger in there, the garlic. I like this. This has got a smaller grate, so it's, check that out. Soy sauce. Half a cup of soy sauce. What you do? Some brown sugar. That is a half a cup. Maybe a little bit more. It doesn't have to be perfect, right? Right. Okay. Quarter cup of water. Okay. Oh, this is gonna rock and roll. All right, I gotta get the wok fired up. I gotta admit, I am very rusty at this. I haven't made a video in quite some time. You can tell, right? Anyway, my favorite Weber toy right here, the coveted cast iron porcelain enamel covered or coated Weber wok. Yes, I'm gonna let that heat up to about surface of the sun temperatures. We'll be right back. All right, the Weber wok is getting hot. We're going to throw some Sang stir-fry oil into the wok so that we can wok and roll. And I'm going to do something a little bit different here. I'm going to also throw in some of this. This is duck fat. I think the combination of the two is going to work really well, so let's get into that. Some duck fat, oh yeah, and Sangs. They say about 3 tablespoons worth. I might go a little bit more because I have tweaked this recipe quite a bit. Sangs, if you didn't know, has a really high smoke point too, so no problem there. All right, we're in the home stretch. The cooking will not take long. Let's go. Let's get our goodness on the Weber wok. First, I'm gonna kind of move that sangs and the duck fat around a little bit. A little bit of this. Ooh, splish splash, I was cooking a dinner. Splish splash, cooking some cash. I say that because this is going to be money. Okay. Do want to mix that around. You want to keep an eye on this too. You don't want the flour to burn, of course. See how quickly the beef is beginning to brown. And another goofy thing I found on the recipe with this is they want you to remove the beef to, you know, cook the wet ingredients in the wok. To that I say, what? Everything's going in the way it should. Yeah, we're just going to move that around a little bit. I know it looks like a lot of beef, but this is probably going to be lunches for everybody for the next 3 or 4 days. So, and there is a kind of a cold north wind blowing on me, and I'm not digging that. But what can you do? You know what I think? I think we need a little bit more sangs. Got that delicious garlic flavor. In addition to the garlic we put in there, and maybe just another smidge of duck fat. There we go. Don't need much. And we continue to mix it. I'm just looking for a little bit more brown than pink, if you know what I mean. We're getting there though. We're definitely getting there. See? You gotta keep it moving too. I don't think I have to, but I'm doing it because I don't want anything to burn at this stage. And by the way, with this Weber wok, you may notice that it does not have any of the porcelain enamel flaking off of it like a 10 or 12-year-old Weber wok should be doing. But the reason that is because metal does not touch this wok when I'm cooking. It may have once or twice, you know, but I made the decision long ago not to put metal utensils into the wok. All right, now, here we go with the wet ingredients. Oh, this is gonna be so good. I definitely could have made more. I just might. This I want to keep moving. Move, 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 move. Yes, sir. Woo! Does that smell good or what? I'm telling you. See, we are just about done. I do want a little bit of pink in the meat. Sirloin, after all. Yeah, I think I forgot to mention earlier that traditionally flank steak is used, but I decided to take it up a step or a notch or whatever. And what takes it up better than a better cut of beef? Well, bison would have been good too, but I'd be lying if I said I didn't think of it. Dear Santa, for the umpteenth time in a row, you did not bring me a prep table for the Smoky Goodness stage. I'm beginning to think you don't care. Tell you the honest truth, It's outdoor cooking, you know? It's an adventure. Woohoo! Oh, that smells good. Every little morsel out of there. There's a save one for the pitmaster right there. See it? It's hot. Oh, yes. It's tender. It's got all the flavor in it. All right. There we go. Let's go eat. But how does it taste there, Mr. Smoky Goodness Guy? Let's find out. A bit of everything on here. Exactly. I'm going to try not to be a foodie and just describe the flavors, you know, one after the other. Wow, the rice is really good. It's tender. It's cooked to perfection. The garnish, the onions, the perfect, yeah. Okay. I know. What can I say? All right, see you next time. Bye.
This is the coolest